Alright, this is the second video for the Colvin TECH ASSIST app. The first basic training tutorial video that you hopefully have already watched. We had submitted information for this RO here for RO number 7122013 on the back-end website, the TechDocs website, the companion site. This is the home page. This is where you would see the most recent 8 of the ROs that have been submitted. You can access the actual repair order by clicking on this link here where it says View Technician Notes, or if you hover over this, you have the option of either saying a larger image, or close that, or you can actually click the link as well. And of course, when you hover over it, as you hover over this, you will see that there is not only the RO number there, but also whatever information, the textual information that's been supplied by the tech is also listed there as well. But let's actually click the link here, and we will go and we'll take a look, and we'll see.
Whoops, can't really see it
what
there.
You're hearing there is the
video.
Yes, that was the video that was shot with this particular RO. So this particular RO, the only textual content was anything in here. Of course, whatever you would have added in support of your submission, any documentation would be here. This is the actual image here. You can see the arrow, the red arrow that you added to that image there. And then of course here is the actual video that you had supplied. Now I'm going to jump over and show you the repair order that has been created for this particular RO that was submitted by the tech, and this was created by the service advisor. This information here was covered in another video which you may not have seen yet, but if you look at the bottom here, you will see that this is that first image, and then this is the video that we just saw right over here. This was that video here, and this was that particular image there. So that said, if we take a look over here, we'll see that each of these have captions underneath of these. You will probably want to add a caption for each particular image that you've added. There's a couple of ways to do that. One is using the app, the WordPress app, probably the easiest way for the technician to do that. However, if you are a technician and you are accessing the site from other than your phone, if you've logged in from a desktop or from a laptop or from a tablet and you would like to access the back end in order to be able to change or add any particular caption that you want, then here the way to do it would be to go to the dashboard. And when you get to the dashboard, you'll see there is on the left side there is a menu item for media, and if you look and hover over that, the flyout has a couple of options. One is add new and one is library. We're just going to click on library. We're going to go down here and take a look at this one right here. We'll just take a peek at that. We will edit. And as we scroll down a little ways here, you'll see that there is already a caption here. And you can change it by adding or subtracting. Initially there will be no caption at all, but if you want to add one, I've added this one prior to this shooting this video, but if you wanted to add one or change one, this is where that would happen at. So the polish wheels need polishing, don't you think? Alright, and then I will scroll back up, click update. And so I added that versus don't you think. Now let's go back over here, and you see the polish wheels needs more polishing. Let me refresh the page, and there it is, don't you think. So you can see how that changes it. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you another option. If you are using, if you're accessing this from your phone, then the way to make this change to add captions or to add additional photos will be to use your WordPress app. Now, one of the other tools that you'll be able to use with the Tech Assist app is the estimate form. Now, the estimate form itself will be created by the service advisor. However, the service advisor is going to be taking information from the repair order post that the technician has provided. And the estimate form has the ability to display up to 6 photo images from the particular post or the particular repair order that the estimate is being built upon. So if the repair order that is being used for the estimate is this one, 7122013, and you want more than 2 photo images to be displayed, then you need to add them to this repair order post. Now, there are 2 ways to do that. One is to do it from the back end, from the website. However, probably the best way to do that for a technician is to simply do it from their phone. So I'm going to go ahead here and show you real quickly how to do that. We added a photo before. You saw how we did that a little bit ago. Now, you add more photos the same way, but you're going to also probably want to add, you're going to click on View Admin here. You're going to want to add some captions. And the way you do that is you go in here to the media library, which is on the left side here, and where it says Library, click Library. Okay. And here is the image that we just uploaded right here. And if you want to add a caption, you would click Edit. And let me just turn this sideways. It's probably going to be a little easier. And below the image, there's a caption which I have added that says this is a screenshot. However, you can change that to whatever you would like it to say. However, you can change that to whatever you would like for it to say. We'll just put another photo right here. But it would be whatever message you would want to associate with this particular image. Click Done. Then go down here, and there's an update button right there, the little blue update button. Click Update. And it's updated. And now that image will have a caption associated with it. If you would like to add more photos, probably the best way to do it is simply to do it the way we did before, and that's to go back to the same post that you had and add them that way. So that's how you get the captions added, and that's how you can add as many photos as you would like. But the limit is 6. So bear in mind you can add up to 6 photos, and these will be displayed on the estimate repair form that the service advisor is going to be preparing.